Real Air Max fans know that the line goes far beyond the popular 90s classics. Over the years, several strong silhouettes were overlooked and slowly faded from the spotlight, especially for younger sneaker fans. One of those is the Air Max Plus VII, a model that stayed under the radar until its return last year celebrating its 20th anniversary. Now, Nike is continuing that comeback with a clean and modern grayscale release set for spring 2026. This upcoming colorway keeps things simple but far from dull. Iron gray and smoke gray are balanced across the upper and midsole, giving the shoe a sleek and versatile look. The signature flowing synthetic overlays add depth and texture, while the matching outsole keeps the design cohesive. Pull laces bring a subtle update that separates this pair from earlier versions. The Nike Air Max Plus VII Iron Gray Smoke Gray is expected to release in spring 2026 through Nike and select retailers, with a retail price set at $190.